Job design. Job design is an outgrowth of job analysis that improves jobs through technological and human considerations in order to enhance organization efficiency and employee job satisfaction. The figure shows 4 basic approaches can be used to design jobs. Top-down approaches, which include industrial engineering and ergonomics, focus on the tasks of a job and how they can be done better. Bottom-up approaches, which include enrichment and empowerment, are more person-focused. The idea behind these two approaches is to design jobs so that the people doing them are more motivated to do them well. Industrial engineering is a field of study concerned with analyzing work methods and establishing time standards. Ergonomics is the process of studying and designing easy-to-use equipment and systems so the physical well-being of employees is not compromised and work gets done more efficiently. Job enrichment is enhancing a job by adding more meaningful tasks and duties to make the work more rewarding or satisfying. There are 5 core job dimensions for the 3 psychological states, which are skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, and feedback. The figure shows the job characteristics model. The job characteristic model is proposed by Richard Heckman and Greg Oldham. Heckman and Oldham believe that 5 core job dimensions, which are skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, and feedback, produce the following 3 critical psychological states. Number 1 is experience meaningfulness of the work. Number 2, experience responsibility for outcomes of the work. And number 3 is knowledge of the actual results of the work activities. The 3 psychological states result in improved work performance, internal motivation, and lower absenteeism and turnover. Other techniques to enrich jobs include job enlargement and job rotation. Job enlargement is the process of adding a greater variety of tasks to a job, while job rotation is the process whereby employees rotate in and out of different jobs. Empowerment also includes in the job design. Employee empowerment, giving employees the power to initiate change, thereby encouraging them to take charge of what they do. Succeeds when organization's culture is open and receptive to change, must have the support of an organization's senior managers. Also, workplace democracy. The utilization of democratic principles such as voting and debate to give employees more say on how an organization is run and the direction it will take. Next is job crafting. Job crafting is a naturally occurring phenomenon whereby employees mold their tasks to fit their individual strength, passions, and motivates better. Last but not least is employee engagement, a situation in which workers are enthusiastic and immersed in their work to the degree that it improves the performance of their companies.
Created using Powtoon.